In this guide, I will show you how to download music from YouTube to your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. YouTube has a great audio library that allows you to download music for free. To access it, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. If you haven't signed in yet, log in first, then click on YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the side menu and click on Audio Library. You will see a variety of music tracks available. This library provides copyright-free music that you can use in your videos without any issues. You can listen to a track by clicking the play button on the left. If you like a piece of music, simply go to the right side and click the download button. The download will start immediately. After downloading, you can find the music file in your browser's download section or by opening your File Explorer and going to the Downloads folder. It's that simple. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more guides, don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video.